Hi Kelly, how you going?
Pretty good, Jesse. How about yourself?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. So I've got something that I want to talk to you about today. Have you heard about VocaBox?
Yeah, but I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah, well, it's a new tool that test centers brought out. So
Okay.
inside the box, there's 5 slots and you'll get 100 vocabs. So this is to help students learn and memorize new vocabulary.
Okay.
So you can use it by yourself as a self-test, or if we were to do it with a friend, like I'm going to do today, I would take out each word and I would test you. So if I was to say, what is the meaning of decorum?
Yeah.
So you might know the answer and I would test you because the definition's on
Oh,
the
it's
back.
at the back. I see. Okay.
So it makes it very easy. So if you were to get it right, I would move it to slot 2.
Oh, how many slots are there?
So there's 5 slots.
5. Oh, I think I got the idea. All right.
So I would keep testing you and say if you were to get any wrong, they would stay in the first slot.
Right.
Yeah, so maybe you get 80 words correct, then those 80 words would be in slot 2. And maybe that would be enough for you in that for that day. So then the next day you'd come back and you might like to test yourself the ones that are in slot 2 again.
I see. Okay,
Or
that's great.
maybe you want to practice the ones in slot 1.
Okay.
So the idea and hope is that by the time all of these get to slot 5, and hopefully you can remember the 100 words, you might not forget them and you'll be able to put them into use with your speaking test and reading,
goodness,
writing.
that is just amazing. That's great. That's a good way to do it.
Do you think this would be something your students would like?
Oh yeah, definitely. For IELTS, for PT, this is what we need, because for the reading, writing and speaking as well, they could incorporate some of these,
Yeah,
I have a question real quick.
Yeah.
Now, let's say we are in level slot number 4.
Yeah.
If I make an error, does it come back to 1 or slot number 3?
It would come back to slot number 3.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
So it
makes
just
sense
moves
because
back 1 slot.
you can't be punished that much. Yeah, I see. All right.
You'd have to. So it just goes back 1 slot. So it was a good question. So hopefully then each time that you're even make a mistake, you're still going to be practicing.
Okay.
So you're going to have to remember the word at least 5 times.
Right.
And obviously the ones that are harder you might keep practicing, but it's a great tool to help you remember words.
Wonderful.
So yeah, if you want to get one, they're available at Test Centre Nepal.
Can I get it now today?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, great, excellent.
Yeah,
I'm
they're
going to
for
do that
sale.
right away. Okay.
Great.
Excellent.
Thank you.